Hello there, welcome to my studio in the southwest of Scotland. My name is Allan and this is Watercolours Revealed. I really look forward to this painting. It's titled Sunset over Carsleuth Fish Nets, and the location is down in Galloway near Crewtown in the southwest of Scotland. It's a wonderful location, and it's one of those locations where every evening, if the weather's fair, you have these magnificent sunsets no matter the time of the year. So during the painting demonstration, we're going to look at equipment and materials, then we're going to do some colour mixing using three colours, cadmium yellow, cadmium red and French ultramarine blue. Equipment and materials required are, if you want to go a little bit dark again, all I've added there is just a little bit more blue into the mixture. So I'm going to load it up with clean water and I'm going to wet the whole of the painting. And we're going to lay down a variegated wash. Start right at the top of the painting and at the bottom. It's giving a more darker mix, and I'm just going to encroach a little bit further. I'm just going to work into this area here. You can see I'm just working that over the red and then further into the sky, so you'll have a little bit of colour mixing happening there. You've got to be aware about your time, and what you don't want to happen is for your paper to dry out completely yellow. I'm just going to stroke that down into my red so we've got a nice blending of the colour. And this is fine while it's still wet. Wash out the sponge. I'm just going to come back across here, and there we have our variegated wash. And there'll be lots more tips and advice along the way, and I'm sure there's going to be a few happy accidents. You always have happy accidents with watercolours. So you notice we've got a couple of droplets of water there, so all you've got to do in that case is just to clean your brush and then just to take some of your purple mix, and I'm just going to work over that. So it tends to be that you want to rectify it there and then. And now for the exciting part, when we mount it. Just to recap, we actually started off by wetting the whole of the painting with our clean water using our flat 25mm or inch wide brush. Well, once again, thank you very much for joining me for my Watercolours Revealed series, and until the next time, take care and happy painting.